What's over there? Oh, it's a big old cat. Nah. Go to mommy. Go to mommy. Go to mommy.
Come here. She wants to come.
Go to mommy. Go to mommy. What's over there? Oh, it's a big old cat. It's a big old cat.
Come here, Bradley. Come here. She can't even see it.
His big old eyes.
Come here. Come here, Bradley. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Bradley. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Come.
Barley. Barley.
Come here, Bradley.
Bray, come on. Come on.
Come here. I'll give you a treat. Come here, Bradley. Come here, Bradley. Come here. Come here. Good girl.
Grab her by the collar.
Come here, Bradley. Come here, Bradley. Come here. Don't let her. She's scared.
It's okay. It's just a big cat.
You can smell it. Look at it. It's just a cat.
Let her go, honey. Let her go. Let her go. Don't force it. Don't force it. Let her
It's
go.
just a cat. Don't do things. It's like a big toy. He's like a big toy.
It's a big toy. Look. Look.
How about this? No, you can't put it above her head. How about this? Bradley!